am at the Singapore airport and they are high tech. They no longer stamp your passport. Everything is done electronically through your fingerprints, through your picture, and they make you fill out a declaration form up to 3 days before you come. You can complete that form, which tells them your passport number, how long you plan to stay, if you have any pandemic symptoms, and they approve it, send you a number. Customs did not ask me for that. Immigration did not ask me for that number, so it must be in their system when they put my passport through. But it was a smooth process. I got my luggage on time, clean. I am not on the fancy schmancy waterfall side, but I'll check that out later. But everything in Singapore went smooth, and I'm here. Singapore is expensive. This is the meter fare rate, so you know what you should be paying. But I typically book a car service through Klook. Everywhere I've been in Southeast Asia, when I arrive to the airport, I book Klook, the transfer service that they offer. But it was $33 in Singapore. And I said, no, ma'am, I have never paid that much for a Klook driver transfer from the airport to my destination, or even my pickup to take me to the airport. So I am going to take a Grab, which is equivalent to Uber, and see how much that is. And it should be less than what they're offering here. So let me check it out and let you know. I just booked Grab for $12.40 USD. That's cheaper than Klook. We wanted $33, and it's cheaper than the metered taxi. When you're traveling Southeast Asia, make sure you download Grab. It's used all over. It's equivalent to Uber.
I'm Sean, Queen of DC, full-time solo traveler. On this channel, I post my travel tips and adventures from around the world. If that's your vibe, subscribe. This is Hotel Gin Bugis Singapore, formerly Hotel G. This is a boutique hotel within walking distance to the metro, shopping malls, restaurants, very convenient to tourist attractions. I enjoy staying here. Hotel G in Singapore is going to be real quick. Here we go. We're entering the room. No closet, but you have this rack here. You got this teeny tiny face bowl. Here, you come around here. Southeast Asia will make sure you have toothbrushes. Every hotel I've stayed, they give you at least 2 toothbrushes. This is my bed. Come around here, very nice desk. It smells clean, it looks clean, and it's cozy. You have a refrigerator. There's your safe, and there's your bedroom. Let's make our way, turn around. And this is what you get. And you got your bathroom and your shower. Breakfast is not included. And it costs $150 per night. Singapore is expensive. So you want to plan ahead when you visit this city. Very expensive in terms of hotel accommodations. But it's in a decent area. And you put the key in to operate the electricity for efficiency. The room was fresh and clean, and it was the most reasonably priced hotel I could find next to a metro. If you're on a budget, you can explore the highlights of Singapore within 4 days. There's a restaurant downstairs. The hotel is located in a vibrant neighborhood. You know how I do. We're going to take a stroll around the neighborhood. In Asia, you got to find the 7-Eleven. Yes, I'm out exploring tonight, y'all. There's a breeze. Even though it's hot, there's a breeze. Singapore is wide. It's airy. I love the big streets. It's beautiful. It's clean. And it smells fresh. I'm just out exploring. I don't know where I'm going. But you all,
We'll find out. Let's go here. Whoa, what is that? Oh my goodness. What is that? This looks very pretty. There's something, this is the art center over here. Look at this, get you some juice. All right, let's check it out, see what it is. There's a fruit market. I smell durian. Wow, smells good. Not durian, but the other.
If you enjoy my videos and have gained value, please contribute to Buy Me a Coffee. The link is in the description box below. Thank you for your support. Singapore is so high tech. I can use my credit card to enter the train station to catch the train and just tap my credit card on the way out. That is perfect. I don't have to buy a train ticket or a card. I can just use my credit card, and that works well for tourists. All right. And the station is huge. It's clean, like a stadium, a metro plaza. Very clean city. All right, let's ride. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Be sure to hit the bell for notification of new videos. Until next time, peace.
That's how you exit.